Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new irrigation system that was recently commissioned into service by the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Now, a lot of times people always ask, why are they using certain, like the land off Mandela Highway to build warehouses, etc.? Well, they're also building agro parks where you can grow stuff. But one of the biggest or the major problem or one of the major problems with agro parks and doing farming in Jamaica is irrigation. Now Jamaica has hundreds of hectares of land for farming, but there is no water supply to the land. So that is a major barrier. That's one of the reasons why Jamaica doesn't grow more stuff and have more agro parks. So it's good that the government is investing in irrigation systems because as more irrigation systems come into play, more land can be used for farming. And even for development because you can't build a house somewhere and there is no water to the house. So today we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this 700-acre agro park in Clarendon. A modern irrigation system to serve the 700-acre Parnassus Agro Park in Clarendon was commissioned into service by Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. We have allotted 400 of those acres specifically for small farmers. In everything we do, we think about every sector of Jamaica. We are making sure small farmers are included here at Parnassus, Dr. Holness said. He also announced that a certain amount has been allocated to women, youth, and persons with disabilities, and already some 240 of the existing farmers in the area had been trained in various farming techniques by Heart Trust NTA. The project was funded from a grant of 17 million or 3.5 billion Jamaican by the British government through the Caribbean Investment Fund. Agriculture is not just a pillar of our economy, it is a foundation on our national food security. As global supply chains face increasing pressure and climate change threatens traditional productive systems, it is more important than ever that we as a country can feed ourselves. A strong agricultural sector ensures that our people have access to affordable, nutritious food even in times of crisis, Dr. Holness said. This will reduce our dependence on imports and protect us from external shocks, the Prime Minister emphasized. He noted that in a world now marked by geopolitical tensions, rising energy costs, and unpredictable commodity markets, food security is now a matter of national security. Only about 40% of Jamaica's land mass is arable, and just 15% of that amount is irrigated. But under an extensive irrigation project being undertaken by the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, when completed, the Southern Plains Agricultural Project, Pedro Plains and Essex Valley Irrigation projects will improve to 20 the percentage of arable lands under irrigation. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So the government is trying to get up to 20% of the land in Jamaica under farming. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.